So, in rice crop, there is an important character called leaf rolling. This is to combat water stress condition. So, as you all know, rice is a water loving crop. It requires more than 2000 mm or 1600 mm for its complete life cycle, for its growth and development. At different stages, it requires different amount of of water requirement. So, whenever there is any unfavorable condition like water stress, so the rice crop will do perform this activity called as leaf rolling. What is actual leaf rolling? Nothing but rolling of a leaf. That is parenchymatic cells, sclerenchymatic cells, and bulliform cells of leaves, which are present at abaxal end, and that adaxal end will help in process of leaf rolling. Mostly bulliform cells, which are present near the vascular bundles along the midrib, they perform this activity more. What happens when there is drought condition? These bulliform cells will be contracted and these vascular bundles will be contracted, and this pertain to rolling of leaf. So what happens when the leaf rolls? When the leaf rolls, the transpiration area or surface area will be decreased, and loss of water to transpiration will be decreased, ultimately resulting in some drought tolerance mechanism to the rice crop. See here, whenever there is drought condition, reflowering mechanism how it acts. If there is drought condition, so if the phenotype is rolling leaf, what happens? If the phenotype is flat leaf, what happens? If the phenotype is rolling leaf, what happens? The surface area will be lower. In case of flat leaf, the surface area will be larger. What happens then? Transpiration will be lower in case of roll leaf, higher in case of flat leaf. Then what happens? Bulliform cells will be expanding. If the bulliform cells expand, leaf will roll. Here, bulliform cells will not expand. They are a normal stage in case of flat leaf. Then automatically it becomes turgid and it becomes tolerant in case of roll leaf. Whereas in case of flat leaf, the drop you will find some drop in water levels and the leaf will be susceptible and it cannot tolerate drought conditions. So that is the importance of leaf rolling in rice, which is ultimately performed by bulliform cells, parenchymatic cells, and sclerenchymatic cells. These are present at adaxial and abaxial of the leaf surface, which help in mechanism of leaf rolling. For your kind information, partial leaf rolling is beneficial, but if the leaf is completely rolled, then automatically the surface area, means the photosynthetic area, will be completely reduced and photosynthesis will be decreased. So there should be partial leaf rolling for better photosynthetic activity than complete leaf rolling. And delayed leaf rolling is also important aspect, which also promotes drought resistance in rice crop. And not only in rice crop, in wheat and maize also this is an important mechanism.